Yeah,
A-
was in percent.
yeah, it's good and bad. It's
Yeah.
good and bad. Did you read about the one young woman who she sued her school because she graduated with honors, even got a full or partial scholarship, didn't know how to read, didn't know how to write. She was illiterate, but she was using all the AI tools to read. So she would take a book and she would, put it over in this program. It would read to her. She would write a paper because she was able to use all the tools here in order to complete all of the assignments, graduate with honors, go to college. And she's suing the school because she said, I tried to have the conversation with you that I'm not learning. I don't understand. And she says that they put her through. I don't know how that turned out, but you can get through a lot, 4 years even, because of the tools that we have. I know, a little silence, right?
I guess you have to have that discerning eye that you clearly have as a professor.
Listen, once you see it, and if you read 2 paragraphs of it, if you compare 2 paragraphs of AI and non-AI,
Yeah.
you can. I'm gonna give you. I have a book here. I'm gonna give you a little lesson after. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. I will say no more.
All right. Um,
Oh, I'm supposed to ask you?
yeah.
Okay, so I kind of asked you one. I'm gonna count that. All right.
But does that count though? Because my answer was kind of the same answer I gave when you made reference to it.
Yeah, it counts.